Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. I will put number 1 go to the right. Next we have y and first derivative of y, so we can use about integrating factor. So we need to find about mu s equals to e to the power of the integration. So we see that tan s next to y, that is for integrating factor. So I will put tan s gone here. And this one we have ln of secant of s. And this one we have secant of s. That means we multiply both sides by secant of s. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. Next, we can apply about the product rule of derivative. So we have first derivative of y equals to first derivative of a multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by a. So for this one, we have first derivative of a multiplied by b plus first derivative of b in here multiplied by a. So the integration of this one, we have y equals to ab. So the integration of that one, we have y secant of s. This one we have the final answer. That is the end. Thank you for watching.